Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your GPay Unavailable. So if you're facing the problem when you try to download GPay, it's not gonna be shown on your Play Store, as well as if you try to do anything related with GPay, it's not gonna work. Well, the main reason behind this is if it says GPay unavailable, the first reason could be that the GPay is not available in your country. If that's the case, then the only way to fix this problem is to use a VPN. And before I tell you the other way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video. So the first way, as I said, is to use a VPN. And just using a VPN is not going to fix your problem. So if you guys have already downloaded GPay and you went to a country where it's not available, it's not going to work. And the only way to make it work again is to use a VPN and connect to a country where GPay works. All right, so that's one way to fix it. And let's say you haven't downloaded GPay until now, all right, and you want to download it. So even if you use a VPN, GPay is still not going to be shown on your Play Store, because Play Store works according to the country where you created your account. So using your VPN is not going to fix it. The only way to fix this problem is go to Google and you want to search GPay APK download, and you got to download it, and then your GPay is going to be downloaded. And to use it, you got to connect your VPN to a country where GPay is available. Because GPay is not available in every single part of the world, it's going to show GPay unavailable. That's one reason. And the other reason is, let's say GPay is available in your country, but right now it says GPay unavailable. So it basically means that Google services are under maintenance. So when Google fixes their server, all their services are going to be offline. So if you're trying to access GPay at that time, then it's going to say GPay unavailable. And the only way to fix this problem is to wait. All right. So that's how you guys can fix your GPay unavailable problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.